Good morning. I'm at the junction for Canyon Village. And from here I'm going to go north because today I'm hiking up Mount Washburn. It's 7 a.m. So Mount Washburn is beyond that rocky crag you can see over there on the right in the background. So here is one of the trailheads for Mount Washburn. I had decided to go by the Chittenden Road trailhead, but I was kind of thinking about the other one until I saw that they had the parking lot closed off. So this is the trailhead I'll be using. Bit of a washboard road in here. Well, good morning. It's, I'm not sure, maybe June 14th, 15th or something, and I'm at the Chittenden Road Trailhead for Mount Washburn. That is Mount Washburn over there behind me. Going to hike it. It's kind of cloudy day. Been in the 80s recently, so I chose a cooler day, but this cloud cover wasn't supposed to come in till later, so it's actually going to rain earlier than intended, so need to get on my way. So here's our trail. This is the one we're at. It's a pretty straight shot to the summit. And the other trail starts over here. Mount Washburn's summit is 10,243 feet. It's about 6 miles round trip. I think coming from this trailhead it's got a 1,400 or something foot elevation gain. A lot of people come up here just to look at the view. That's the Lamar Valley over there, all socked in with mist. Certainly the wildflowers are beautiful. So I just startled this little guy, this little chipmunk. Isn't he cute? So what sucks about this trail is it's just basically a hike up a road that goes to the lookout tower. guess you have to look beyond that. The wildflowers are beautiful. And yeah, just not interesting footing. I like to have a little bit of interesting footing in my hikes, but it's what it is. So down there is the road, and up there is Mount Washburn. One of those over there is Dunraven Peak. This incredible ghost forest here. And then up here is the tower. And some folks coming down just told me there's a bunch of bighorn sheep up here. Look. Now I'm super cautious because he sensed something coming from here. Somewhere his ears went down. He focused in this direction, and then he turned tail and fled. If that isn't a warning of danger, I don't know what is. Well, it started raining, and so I've got my camera in a plastic bag because I want it handy for the bighorn sheep. I'm almost, well, looks like we have some switchbacks to go up to the summit there. There it is. A little steeper than it looks on the camera, of course. Always is. But yeah, getting there. So way off over there are, I'm guessing they're bighorn sheep. I can't really tell from here. Not close enough yet. There are the bighorns. Just got a little bit further to go. They've got to be cold and wet. They were hiking up in the rain and snow. Look at that. The Grand Canyon of the Yellowstone. You can see it from up here. We're almost there, and the rain is coming down a little bit now. walking right into the cloud. Whew. Okay, the rain is a little bit heavier now, and it's gotten really cold. My camera won't recognize my fingerprint anymore. So here's the fire tower behind me. It's snowing. It's actually snowing.
Success rate and always called young, disabled. But I'm like, what happened?
Hey everyone. Warm and dry. Bathroom.
Can't ask for more, right? So
I saw out the window, not outside.
No, I kept seeing flurries go down. I was like, it's just rain.
Used to hiking at elevation either, huh? Not even from Florida.
No, not hiking like this.
Yeah.
It's really an amazing experience.
It is an amazing experience. I went around the summer.
So I put my tripod away for the walk back down. Itsy bots and bitsy dots and ditsy dotsy dicey. Alright, so it started raining again, so I have pulled out another layer. Just in case it starts coming on. This is just another little windbreak. Okay, back in Studley van. Yeah, it was, it rained on and off on the way back down. Blowed ice cold wind sometimes. And I forget again what the date is. Anyway, I have to decide what I want to do now. Do I want to go to Gardner and get some supper or lunch, or do I just want to go back home and start making videos, because I am absolutely months behind. I'm having too much fun. I can't find time to make videos because I'm having too much fun. So we've got these roadworks, and obviously it's going to be a while. People have actually started making sandwiches on the bumpers of their car and going and looking at the flowers. Nobody's honking horns or getting impatient. It's kind of nice.